What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2014 Honda CRV and I'm going to show you guys how to change the wiper blades on this baby. Something like this should be very easy and simple. You could do it at home. So first of all, you need to pick up some wiper blades. You go to your local part store. So I did get these right here. So this is the part number for the driver's side. The passenger side is smaller. I don't have the sizes in inches, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to open all both of these up. And just like this, one hand, just be careful with the hand on the vehicle. So let me get this open so we can start to work. So I'm gonna put this gently down. So you see this little guy? This little guy, just simply, if you move it forward, outward, that little tab at the end will come out and this will slip right out. This is just something that they have at the store. For what reason? A lot of reasons. Anyways, very simple and easy. All you want to do is you want to grab this wiper blade itself, lift it up. Right down here you have this little tab. Push that tab in. If you're using both hands, you're gonna pull this, push the tab in and pull this wiper blade down. But make sure this does not fall back on the windshield, because you will break the windshield. And I gotta go back in there, push that little guy one more time so we can get it out, and it is out just like that. Simple as that. Okay, so you can't go wrong. I'm gonna put this to the side. One thing I like to tell people is clean, well, you know what, make sure this doesn't fall down, okay? Because if it falls down, it will crack the windshield, but it will stay just like that. But a lot of people will have it here, or they hit it by hand. So even if you could get the wiper blade on, then if it falls down with the wiper blade, it's fine. It's not gonna damage anything, even though it shouldn't hit anything. But anyways, you're gonna take this little guy and all you're gonna do is slip it in there, and it should just click in there and it should not come off no more. I like to have this surface clean here because you don't want nothing caught in the blade, because it will just spin it around and leave you marks. Anyways, something like this you should be able to do in 2 minutes. That goes down. We're gonna come to the other side. Same thing. We're gonna push this tab in here and push the wiper down at the same time. What it's gonna do is gonna release that little pin inside. So once it's pushed in, it should come off. I gotta use both hands. So I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna push this with one hand and pull it with the other. So even if you want, you could put this down. Let's get this box opened up here. And again, see the other wiper, maybe somebody tampered with it. It's supposed to have one on each side. You just pull it, lift it up, and this thing slips out. So same thing on the other side. Lift it up and it slips out. Again, same thing. You take this little guy and all you do is line it and it clicks right in. Clean the surface. Put your wiper blade back down. So all I did here was clean the surface. Let's get rid of this. I cleaned the surface and I put the wiper down. Anyways, always try on your wiper blades with some washer fluid sprayed on, and it should clean. That's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna put this on. There you go, perfect, beautiful. It should not leave any streaks behind. It should not bounce. And thank you for watching my video here. See you guys on the next video.